Иргэмшигнээр үйлчлэгч бүгдээр нэгтгэх усаас Монгол улс суух онцгой хүрээлэг хийчихсэн. Иргэмшигнээр Зафар Атеш тэмдэгч уулзчаа хардуулахаар хүрэлцэн ирснийг байлтгая.
Esteemed President, I have the great honor to present to Your Excellency my letters of credence, by virtue of which His Excellency Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, the President of the Republic of Turkey, accredits me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Turkey to Mongolia.
And please, President Erdogan. To be carried out here in Mongolia for your tenure.
Turkey to the brotherly and friendly country of Mongolia. I would like to convey to you the greetings of my President as well.